Hello YouTube, today we have another VHF control box to take apart. Here we go. So it's got a nice switch and a couple of windows on the front and some dially knobby things which change things, and a nice plug on the back with lots of gold plated connectors. And yeah, that's about it actually. Who's it made by? It's made by Gables. There we go. Gables Engineering. Yeah, let's take it apart and see what's in it. So there we go. We have lots of what look like diodes up here, and a whole load of switches and mechanical stuff, and that's about it actually. Apart from that, it is quite boring. There's no real electronics in here, just lots of mechanical stuff. But let's press on and get a better look at the mechanical stuff. So firstly, I'll take these off with my new, very expensive Bristol spline wrenches. Well, I think they were worth it. These things look like Allen keys. They're actually not straight hex head Allen keys. They're different. I might get a close-up shot of a spline head screw and one of these, and you really cannot open. You really cannot unscrew these things with conventional anything. You have to have these exact parts, and they come in six spline and 4 spline varieties, and this little set has both, fortunately. So yep, that should save me an awful lot of hassle. There we go, very conventional. Got little light bulbs, and yeah, this is made of perspex, some little glass windows. What's quite nice here is these little glass windows actually have what looks like an anti-reflection coating on them. Also, this thing is disgusting. It's like it's had coffee poured over it or something. Ugh. Okay, so that's a much better look at the inside, and it is actually quite nice. In fact, I think I'm going to put one of these back on so I can turn this and we can see it operating. So yeah, there's some very nice engineering gone into making this. Lots of custom gears. Yeah, very nice. Interesting is this wire isn't actually silver Teflon for once. It's something else, something very hard. So yeah, that's the back of there. Just some rather boring diodes on there, and just fairly standard connector. Right, that did not really want to come out. that's quite nice. So these discs are made out of polycarbonate or something transparent, and have actually little light bulbs in the side there to fully illuminate the whole thing. So that's quite a nice touch. Interestingly, there's some little plastic gears in there. Seems like a bit of a weak spot, that, having plastic gears between two big metal gears like this, but I guess they had their reasons for doing that. So all of these screws in this thing are actually these spline club screws. And these are some fairly standard wafer switches after all that. With this very let's get this out. This very customized, custom-made gear, which is quite nice. So yeah, don't think there's a whole lot more to see on that. Lots of nice precision gears and grub screws that would be really annoying if I didn't have this nice set of spline wrenches. Yeah, thanks for coming. Hope you enjoyed it. Come again.